Hi there, this video is going to cover how to use the audio conferencing or using your voice through the wired old SimMan. So as opposed to the 3G SimMan, the older SimMan do not have microphones in their heads for you to hear your learners while you're in the control room. So what we have set up are these microphones. These are used in the video process for the video recording. So you will actually need to have the PCs up with the cameras. Those will be explained in a video about the control room operations coming up. And there will be a cable coming off those television monitors that you'll be watching the simulation through. And that's where you'll connect your headset speaker connector to. So again, just like with the 3G, we have the headset that has two jacks. One with green lines that has a speaker image on it, and the pink lines has a microphone image on it. So the headphone one goes into that wire coming off the television. The pink one goes into our control laptop. So here, you notice I already have this cable coming into the jack with the headset on it. Now that is sending all the audio from this laptop to the link box and then to the SimMan. So we know that I'm not plugging anything into here. I'm only plugging the jack with the microphone image onto it into the microphone jack. Now, we go to the control laptop, and we have to make sure that the laptop itself, Windows, knows that we have a jack mic plugged in. So we go down at the bottom here, bottom right hand corner, we have an image of a speaker. It's the volume control. So we double click on that and it brings up this panel. We want to go to, not to advanced, we want to go to options and then properties. And notice here it's selected playback. We want to select recording. And in all these options we want to make sure that jack mic, as it is here, is the only one selected. So with that done, we click OK. We close this window, and now in this Laerdal SimMan software, we drop the Edit menu, go down to Microphone Configuration, and here we click Microphone On. Now already, I'm going to turn that off. We can see here we can change the microphone volume, the latency as well, which means how much the delay is between when you speak and when it gets out to the speaker in the mannequin's head. But the biggest, most important thing is microphone on. So now, we close that, and then what we have is, again, our little control guy here. Microphone off, microphone on, and volume for your headset. So I turn the microphone on, and then when I speak, my voice comes out of the mannequin. Before we end this session, what can happen is if this plug comes out of the speaker jack and goes back in, or one of our other ones come out, sometimes what might happen, and it didn't happen this time, but sometimes if you notice it's not working, you might see that this volume has a little X in it, which means it's been muted. So again, you want to double click on that. What you'll probably see is in this volume control, you'll have mute all has been selected for some reason. It happens from time to time with Windows, does some strange things. So you want to make sure that that is unclicked. So mute all is not clicked. And then you can close it, and then we look back down and the speaker will not have an X through it. And that's probably the most likely source once everything else is running as to what may have gone wrong. And that's how we use our voices through the old wired retired SimMan. Thank you.